Automobile transmission fluid, also known as automatic transmission fluid, or ATF, plays a crucial role in the smooth operation of an automatic transmission. Here's a detailed explanation of how it works. The primary functions of transmission fluid are, firstly, lubrication. Transmission fluid lubricates the moving parts of the transmission, such as gears, bearings, and clutch packs. This reduces friction, wear, and tear on these components, ensuring smooth gear shifts and prolonging the transmission's lifespan. Secondly, cooling. Transmission fluid helps to cool the transmission by transferring heat away from the gear sets and other components. This prevents overheating, which can cause damage to the transmission. Thirdly, pressure transmission. The fluid acts as a medium to transmit pressure and power between the transmission's components, such as the torque converter, planetary gear sets, and clutch packs. And finally, seal conditioner. Transmission fluid helps to condition the seals and gaskets within the transmission, keeping them soft and flexible. This prevents leaks and ensures the transmission remains sealed. So, how does it work? Well, first, the transmission fluid pump, which is usually located inside the transmission, circulates the fluid throughout the system. The fluid then flows through the transmission, lubricating and cooling the components as it goes. It also transmits pressure and power between the components. The torque converter uses the transmission fluid to transfer power from the engine to the transmission. The fluid helps to multiply the torque and transmit it to the gear sets. The fluid also lubricates and cools the planetary gear sets, allowing them to engage and disengage smoothly. This enables the transmission to change gears seamlessly. Next up, the fluid helps to engage and disengage the clutch packs, which are responsible for selecting the desired gear ratio. And finally, the transmission fluid filter, usually located inside the transmission pan, helps to remove contaminants and debris from the fluid, ensuring it remains clean and effective. There are several types of transmission fluid. First, conventional, like Dexron or Mercon, which is suitable for most passenger vehicles. Then, synthetic, such as ATF +4 or Dexron 6, which offers improved performance, durability, and fuel efficiency. There's also high-performance synthetic, designed for high-performance vehicles, towing, or extreme driving conditions. And last but not least, CVT fluid, which is specifically designed for continuously variable transmissions. So, here are a few tips. Regularly check the transmission fluid level and condition to make sure it's at the recommended level and free from contamination. Always use the correct type of transmission fluid for your vehicle, as specified in the owner's manual. And, avoid mixing different types of transmission fluid, because this can actually compromise the transmission's performance and longevity. By understanding how automobile transmission fluid works, you can really appreciate its importance in keeping your transmission smooth, efficient, and reliable. When it comes to selecting the best automobile transmission fluid, it's really essential to consider the type of vehicle you have, the driving conditions you face, and of course, the manufacturer's recommendations. So, here's a general overview. First, there are several types of transmission fluids. Conventional, which you might know as Dexron or ATF +3. Then synthetic options like ATF +4 or Dexron 6, high-performance synthetics such as Amsoil or Redline, and also continuously variable transmission or CVT fluid. As for key characteristics, you'll want a transmission fluid that meets or, ideally, exceeds the manufacturer's specifications, like API certification. It should also have a high viscosity index, which means it resists thinning out in extreme temperatures, and it needs to provide excellent lubrication and wear protection. Plus, it should resist oxidation and degradation and be compatible with your vehicle's transmission materials, such as seals and gaskets. Now, identifying the best transmission fluid for your car starts with checking the vehicle's owner's manual or, if you prefer, the manufacturer's website for those recommended transmission fluid specifications. Look for certifications like API, So that's the American Petroleum Institute, for example, API GL4 or API GL5, and ILSAC, which stands for the International Council on Clean Transportation. When it comes to brands, some of the most popular and trusted options are Valvoline Mobil 1, Castrol Amsoil and Redline. So, let's talk about how to check your transmission fluid. First, you'll need to locate the transmission fluid dipstick, which is usually labeled either transmission or ATF. Pull out the dipstick and wipe it clean with a lint-free cloth or a paper towel. Then, insert the dipstick back into the reservoir and pull it out again. Now, check the fluid's level, color, and consistency. The level should be between the MIN and max marks on the dipstick. For color, you're looking for a light brown or pinkish fluid. If it's dark or black, that could mean contamination or degradation. As for consistency, it should be smooth and consistent. Lumpy or thick fluid might indicate some sort of degradation. Some examples of high-quality transmission fluids include Valvoline MaxLife, ATF Mobil 1 Synthetic ATF, Castrol Transmax, ATF Amsoil Synthetic CVT Fluid. And for manual transmissions, Redline MT90 Manual Transmission Fluid. These are all great choices if you're looking for reliable performance and long-lasting protection. Modern ATF consists of a base oil and an additive package that contains a wide variety of chemical compounds intended to provide the required properties of a particular ATF specification. Most ATFs contain some combination of additives that improve lubricating qualities, such as anti-wear additives, rust and corrosion inhibitors, detergents, dispersants, and surfactants, which protect and clean metal surfaces. Kinematic viscosity and viscosity index improvers and modifiers, seal swell additives and agents, which extend the rotational speed range and temperature range of the additive's application. Anti-foam additives and antioxidation compounds to inhibit oxidation and boil-off, which extends the life of the additive's application. Cold flow improvers, high-temperature thickeners, gasket conditioners, pour point depressant, and petroleum dye. All ATFs contain friction modifiers, except for those ATFs specified for some Ford transmissions and the John Deere J21A specification. The Ford ESP, or ESW, M2C33F specification. Type F ATF, Ford O-Matic, and Ford ESP, or ESW, M2C33G specification. Type G ATF specifically excludes the addition of friction modifiers. According to the same oil distributor, the M2C33G specification requires fluids which provide improved shear resistance and oxidation protection, better low-temperature fluidity, better EP, extreme pressure, properties and additional seal tests over and above M2C33F quality fluids. The friction modifier means that the fluid sticks to the surface of the metal slightly stronger and therefore only helps to prevent early wear. It would be required for Ford and BorgWarner to prove that their transmissions are somehow harmed by friction modifiers. In many countries, Ford has said that the modern Dex 3 fluid is fine for the same transmissions that it says require the older standard. There are many specifications for ATF, such as the General Motors Dexron and the Ford Mercon series, and the vehicle manufacturer will identify the ATF specification appropriate for each vehicle. The vehicle's owner's manual will typically list the ATF specifications that are recommended by the manufacturer. Automatic transmission fluids have many performance-enhancing chemicals added to the fluid to meet the demands of each transmission. Citation needed. Some ATF specifications are open to competing brands, such as the common Dexron specification, where different manufacturers use different chemicals to meet the same performance specification. These products are sold under license from the OEM responsible for establishing the specification. Some vehicle manufacturers will require genuine or original equipment manufacturer (OEM) ATF. Most ATF formulations are open third-party licensing and certification by the automobile manufacturer,